How to set a police alert in Waze app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Waze app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, you will find Alerts and Reports. Click on Alerts and Reports. Then click on Reports at the top. Here, you will find Police. Click on Police, which will show on map and alert while driving. Turn Show on map and alert while driving on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to get notification on police alert in Waze app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.